How to fix the Wi-Fi signal is too weak on your PS5. So if you can't connect to the internet or you're just having Wi-Fi issues, I'll show you a couple of ways on how to solve this. So the first step is you need to head over to your PS5 home screen like this. You can then come up to the top right hand side and click on the settings bar. Now scroll down this page and click on System, and then scroll all the way down again to Reset Options. Now scroll down again and click on Restore Default Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your saved game data. This is simply going to reset the settings on your console. So you may need to enter your PS5's passcode to confirm these changes. And once you've done this, head back over to your home screen. Now the next thing we're going to do is power off the device. So once your PS5 is completely turned off, you can come over to the power button. Now what we're going to do is hold this down for around about 15 seconds. Now when you hold the button down, you'll hear a single beep. Continue to hold the power button down until you hear the second beep, and then release the power button. Now when your PS5 turns back on, it should load up in this safe mode here. Now you'll get a message asking to connect your PS5 controller. So just go and connect your controller using a USB-C cable. And once your controller's connected, you'll see this menu page here. Now what you can do is scroll down to number 6, which is clear cache. And then from here, you'll have two options. You can clear your system software cache and also rebuild the database. Now you'll need to go through both of these options. So start with number 1. And once you've cleared the cache, you also need to rebuild the database as well. Now, just like before, this won't delete any of your save game data. So it's perfectly safe to carry out both of these steps. Now once you've done this, you can restart your console and head over to your PS5 home screen. Now once you're on the home screen, come up to the top right hand side and click on Settings once again. Now click on Network, and then we're going to come down to Settings. Now make sure Connect to the Internet is turned on, and then you can scroll down to Set up Internet Connection. Now go and select your Wi-Fi connection. You can then click on this icon on your PS5 controller, and then scroll down and click on Forget. Now once you've forgotten this network, you will need to go and reconnect to your Wi-Fi router. And once you're reconnected to your Wi-Fi, that should have fixed any weak signal issues.